Yes, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another live. Right. So yes, for those of you who are new here, we do this live every day at 3:45 p.m. and we analyze the markets of what happened and we try to predict what would happen in the markets tomorrow. Right. Yes. So make sure you subscribe and turn your notification on so that each time you would. Basically get a notification saying that we are live, right? So yes, for those of you who are joining in, we shall start the analysis in another minute or so. And yes, a quick disclaimer: we shall yes, so we do not provide any calls or tips, right? We only do this for education. And my can you yes. Yes. Okay. So a small interruption in our video. So sorry about that. It was a technical difficulty here. And yes, so if you are able to see my screen, can you just quickly put yes in the comments or a thumbs up in the comments so that the screen is visible as well as you are able to hear me, right? So yes, you can let me know. So yes, on my end, I think everything should be set. Okay. Yes. So I should be visible and the screen should be visible and my audio should be heard. So sorry about that small interruption. So yes, quickly getting back to the thing, right? Yeah. So the disclaimer, as I said, we do not provide any calls or tips. This is purely for educational purpose only, and before you take any trades, make sure you consult your financial advisor, right? So yes, okay, so now quickly coming into our analysis, I think we shall check our bank nifty. So we shall quickly look at the market replay of what happened as a complete overview, right? So we look at the FNO, yes, it's at bank nifty. So we have 120 gainers and 65 losers, which basically say, okay, it is very bullish. It has been bullish today as well. And if you look at the PCR of 1.38 right here on the right corner, we can see, okay, today also it has been very bullish. And I'm sure that the PCR has increased as well, right? So yes, so this would be like a complete overview of how the market moved today. So yes, let me just, okay, and yes. So we look at that. I'm not sure if it was a gap up or a gap down, but yeah, we see a sideways movement towards the opening till 10, right? So we don't see any major up move or down move as of yet, but I am assuming it did move very bullish towards the end as well, right? So yes, a slow upward. We can see a small trend forming here, but okay. Yes, so the market again, see, so it did break the day high around 11:30, right? So market is in a very bullish trend today, at least this week, and yes, so the overview sideways to bullish is still, uh, as we can see. So we saw the day high being broken at 11:30, but since the day high, we saw a small consolidation here until 12 o'clock, and then we saw a fall, right? Yes. So now again, if we see at around, yes, so we see around, what time is this? Yes, 1:30. We saw major rise again. So which again broke the day high, right? So this was two day highs broken, and I think it went nowhere close to the day low as well. So yes, I think our support should have been met, and let's check, right? So our resistance would have been formed as a new support, and yes, so we look at the chart in a complete overview of today, we can see a very bullish move, right? Even towards the end, we saw it create a double top over here at around 41,663, right? So we should look at the charts again right after this. But yes, so futures, we can see it ended at 41,644. So yes, continuing. Let's quickly look at the trading view charts, right? So Bank Nifty trading view. Yes. So for those of you who do not know this yet, we have a watch list added on the right side of the trading view, so that you can quickly add in the scripts or instruments you like to see, and you can quickly view them, right? Instead of searching for it each time. I think I should add Nifty here, because I think Bank Nifty and Nifty is what we keep looking at. So yes, so Nifty 50, I just click on add to watch list, and let me just add futures as well. Okay, perfect closes. Yeah, as you can see, the scripts have been added, right? The Bank Nifty, these are the individual. I should just add Bank Nifty spot as well. Bank Nifty futures there, yes, and this. And I shall add, okay, yes. So yeah, so I can quickly on click it moves, right? So let's sample, uh, so sorry. Yes, okay, so we shall look at that later on. But yes, as you can see here, Bank Nifty, and as per our analysis, 41,500 was broken today. So let's see, the opening of today was around here, right? So 9:15, yes. So this was the opening, and we saw 41,500 being at around 11:50 being touched but not broken, right? And then quickly we saw it again being broken at 1:30. So within 2 hours, it did break that level, which is a very bullish move, right? So I continue to stand bullish as of now. But yes, also another reminder that I think inflation data would be out today in the evening. So that would have another huge impact in the market. So me viewing it to be bullish all depends on the inflation data as well, right? So we should find out today on what actually happens. So as you can see, RSI around 60 with uh, Nifty breaking 41,500 seems a very bullish move as of now. We should also analyze the option chain as well. But yes, we can see, even if we look at it in a very overall point of view, we saw a small consolidation, and after that, we saw it continuing to be bullish, right? So yes, with today's inflation data out, tomorrow should be a very fun expiry, and Friday the markets would be closed as well. So all the traders would be coming in with high volumes tomorrow. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. So yes, quickly moving on to the option chain of Bank Nifty, we should quickly get to know the support and resistances on where they're selling, right? Okay, this was currently Reliance data I was seeing for some reason. But yes, if I just quickly go to Bank Nifty, yes, 13th April. So yeah, tomorrow is the expiry of 13th April, and let's stick to 10 as well, right? Oh yes, usually Greeks do not matter on expiry, but yes, as you can see here, we can see 42,000 being the highest number of calls sold, right? So 32.4 lakhs of OI contracts have been sold at 42,000. So that should act as a new resistance, whereas we can see 41, okay, so 41,000 and 41,500 are very huge put sells as well. So two very close resistances, so should be so those would, I mean, sorry, support. So should be around these values itself, right? So as I said, so because as you can see here, 40.4 lakhs of OI puts being sold, seems that 41,500 should be a very good support, right? So as we saw in the charts as well, because of that, and also the bullish manner it's moving, we can see that a lot of traders are confident that it would be a very bullish move, right? So this also confirms that a little bit. But yes, again, I think inflation data will be a huge impact on the market. So let's see that as well. Yes. So before that, let me just see the where is my open interest? Yes, open interest. So yes, OI again. So we see the PCR on daily basis. So currently it's at yes, Bank Nifty. I just wanted to make sure which index we are seeing. So yes, Bank Nifty, as we can see here, it's currently at 1.4, right? So which is again showing us a very bullish move. So I think all our analysis show that Bank Nifty is bullish, but everything would depend on the interest, the news that will be coming out today evening, right? So if we just quickly look at history data as well, let's see in which manner it moved, right? So 11th, uh, yes, so 11th April we saw PCR of 1.2, whereas current it changes to 1.4, right? So we see it moving in a bullish manner as well, but a very high PCR would sometimes also convey that a reversal might happen, right? But yeah, let's see. So this it was a bullish move from today, yesterday to today as well, as seen here. So yes, so that is the analysis for Bank Nifty, and still looks to be bullish. And tomorrow's expiry, according to the option chain data as well, should expire above 41,500, right? So we shall see. So anyone selling a put 41,500 would be a, a safe, not very safe as well. You can never say that, but yeah, it would be a good bet. But 41,000 would be a very good put sell, right? So yes, you can always check out that. Coming to Nifty now, right? So Nifty, let's check the futures. So futures has crossed 17,800, as you can see the price here. And yes, we should check out the market replay. Also, as you are listening to the stream, if you're facing, if there is any audio issues or any screen issues where it's not clear, please let me know in the comments so that I will know as well and we can improve, right? So yes, going to Nifty. So Nifty again, 125 gainers, 65 losers show us bullish view. And yes, going to Nifty here. Let me just, yes, PCR 1.24. Again, I think it has increased from yesterday. So yes, I should just put it on 5x and start it out, right? So yes, so Bank Nifty, as we saw, did not have any gap up or gap down today. I'm assuming Nifty also did. So it was a quiet opening as we saw. Other than that, Bank Nifty had a very bullish move and never broke the day low today, right? So let's see Nifty as well. So 17,778 is the day low. It is okay, not yet near, but it seems much more sideways. But again, so we saw, yes, a huge move around 11 and also at around 1, right? So we can see if it continued the same. Yes, so around 11 we saw a move as well, a very good move, and around 1 again. So yes, Nifty also continues to seem to be very bullish. I think the high was broken here around 1247, and yes, completely broken around 1. So yes, similar times the day highs were broken, and as you see here, okay, this just looking at the charts here, yeah, I think this was a very good supply zone here. I think we should check it on the Nifty charts. As I was seeing it, there was a very good supply zone formed, and there was a good trade today, right? So we should check it as well. So yes, as you can see, Nifty futures ended at 17,863 and hit a high of 17,880, right? So it has not crossed 17,900 as of yet. Should be a good resistance to break. But yes, so again, as you can see, similar to Bank Nifty, very bullish move. And yes, I should just quickly go to the charts for this. Let me just make sure I saved it, right? Yes. So as you saw, so everyone is 41,500 above is the current support levels as we saw as the put over. That's in Bank Nifty. Let me just quickly change it to Nifty. Yes. Okay, yes. So this was the supply zone I was talking about, which was a very good trade towards the end of the day, which we shall come to. But yes, as we see here, let me guess, yes, so 17,700 was the resistance that was broken on 11th April, right? So yesterday we saw this resistance being broken, and if you watch yesterday's analysis, we were bullish about the markets, and I think if anyone took the similar view into today's market as well, we can see that okay, the markets continue to be bullish as well today. So yes, so that is a very good sign, right? So our analysis is working as we can see. But yes, so this was so we saw a very good bullish move right here, and as you can see, this was the around end of the day we saw a good supply zone being formed here. Let me just put a price label if I can. So yes, so around here was the so around 765, 766 was a good supply zone, right? And I think this would be, so as soon as we saw that zone being formed, okay, I'll just put it back a little later. So yes, so, I, so sorry, let me just zoom in over here. So yes, so we saw a good supply zone being formed over here. If I just freeze that to the previous candle. Yes. So yes, so this was an amazing supply zone being formed, and we saw the market going up, taking a good supply from here and going back up, right? So this would be a good bullish move, and if we can see a good long position here, so on touch of the zone is where I would enter the trade. My so sorry. Yes, my stop loss would be a little below the supply zone. So if it did break the zone, that means there were no buyers at the level after that, right? And my P1 would be here. Oh, so sorry about that. Okay, let me just add it again. And yes. So my T1 would be here at the top, so 818 would be my T1, and my stop loss would be somewhere around here, right? So right below the supply zone. And we look at it, it would have completely hit our target, and our risk to reward ratio also seems to be very good. So we find uh, many more trades like this. It seems to be very good trades, right? So yes, let me just save that. So yes, you can always let me know if you guys did take any trades today and how it went as well, right? So this is very towards the end of the day around. So this was a trade you would be entering at 255, right? So end of the day, and yes, so this would have been a good trade you could have entered because of the supply zone being formed here. And yes, let me just save the chart and we can quickly look at our zones, right? So we can go to our option chain and find out where our resistance and supports are. So yes, as you can see here in the call side here, you can see 34, 32.4 lakhs at 42,000, right? So this would be a very good resistance being formed. And here again, so similarly, you can see a very close support. So one is 41,500 and the other one is 40. Oh, so sorry. I was like, why is this very similar to Bank Nifty? Just realized I was looking at Bank Nifty again. So yes, okay, a very good resistance at 18,000, right? So 1.3 crore OI. So that is amazing. So yes, so we can see here 18,000 seems to be a very good resistance that looks to be broken, right? So the way markets are going looks to be broken, but yes, a lot of sellers here for tomorrow, assuming that it will not break 18,000. So that would be a good option sell here at 18,000. And if we look at the resistance, we see 1.1 crore at 17,700 and 1.1 crore at 17,600, right? So I'm guessing looking at the option chain here, resistance of 18,000 seems a little more harder to break. At least tomorrow, I'm assuming it should not break, seeing the call sell here towards the call sells here, right? So the put sells seems to be a little more unsure on where the market would be ending. That's why we can see a 1.1 crore OI at 17,700 as well as 17,600 and around a crore, right? So 89.1 lakh or 90 lakhs of put sells at 17,500 as well. So I'm assuming that Nifty should not break 80,000 for sure. Let's see. Again, depends on the inflation data. But yes, so there are a lot of confusion on the put side, as we can see in the OI data here. So quickly going to the open interest, right? So I'm, yes, let me just check. Yes, Nifty charts are like the option chain data that we saw. So 1.2, right? So 1.2, I think yesterday it was 1.1, if I am not wrong. Let me just quickly check here. Yes, so 1.1, right? So we saw it move from zero 0.9 in the previous analysis to 1.1 yesterday. And as we see, it's moving from yesterday to today. The movement has been 1.1 to 1.2, which is a good bullish view itself on the market, right? So yes, so that is our analysis. And yes, so those were uh, the idea for tomorrow's trades as well. We did see the markets, we saw how it went today, and yes, tomorrow we shall get to know how it really goes because of the inflation data that is coming out today, the expiry being tomorrow, and day after being a holiday, right? So I'm assuming a lot of traders to be ready for trading tomorrow and as well as ready for the long weekend, right? So yes, okay, so that's all for today's analysis. Thank you for everyone joining in for the live streams, and as we see, our analysis views for today and predictions are coming out better, and each day we're improving as well. And other than that, I just quickly wanted to say that this is completely for educational purpose. We do not provide any tips or calls anywhere. And if you do take any trades, make sure you consult your financial advisor. So yes, before we go, our usual ritual, make sure you put your views in the comments if you are bullish for tomorrow, bearish for tomorrow, or sideways for tomorrow, right? So yes, with that, thank you so much, and we shall uh, uh, see each other tomorrow again, and maybe there would be a small surprise in tomorrow's live as well. Let us see. Okay, thank you.